Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with some more 370Z content. I've had a few people ask me to actually make this video, so I'm actually making it today. As you could read in the title, I'm going to be driving around, letting you guys hear how the Greddy Evolution GT sounds when I'm driving it, driving it around. You guys probably were wondering about like the noise and everything from the interior, exterior, me driving off and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be including it in the video. I'm just dropping off my little guy here over at my parents' place, just so I can film this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
All right guys, before I head out, I'm just gonna do I did the cold start earlier over at my underground parking. You guys already saw it in a few clips earlier. Now I'm just gonna do another startup, but outside, so you guys can see hear how it kind of sounds when I'm outside. Alright guys, so that was the sound when I did the startup outside. Hope you guys heard it a little bit, kind of get an idea of how it sounds when you start it up outside. I think I'm just gonna go to a parking lot, do a quick drive-by, and just so you guys can hear the sounds. I'm actually gonna show a clip right now of me driving up to Whistler that had the sound of my my car yeah, basically speeding through pretty quickly. I'm just gonna show it to you guys right now so you guys have an idea. All right, so as you guys can hear, it was pretty loud. I mean, it actually makes the VQ sound really nice. First thing I'm gonna be doing is driving it with the windows down, so you guys can hear how it sounds when the window is down, and whether like, probably won't hear too much of the droning because it doesn't actually transfer too much into the video. When I do watch my videos, I notice it and it's not the same, but maybe it's calmed down. I have been driving this a lot more. I have actually got my rig there stored at my parents' place just because it's not fitting into my underground parking. So I've been driving the Z a little bit more. So yeah, it doesn't drone anymore. I'm actually enjoying it, preferably with the windows down, just because it does get a little bit drony in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive and show you guys how it is while the window is down. All right, just switch to second gear, third. Alright guys, this time I won't be talking after while I'm driving, so you guys can actually hear the full range of the sound. All right guys, I just got to the empty parking lot. I'm gonna do some basically some slow driving. I'm gonna just take off from standstill and I'll do ones where I'm driving by. So yeah, I'll set it up right now. See you guys in a bit. All right guys, so that one was basically from standstill, driving off. Next thing I'm going to be doing is actually revving. just from standstill on the park position. I'm just gonna be revving it and letting you guys hear how it sounds. You guys probably heard a little bit of it in my previous video when I got the actual exhaust installed into my vehicle, but this time I'm just gonna do it where I'm parked and I'm outdoors, so you guys can kind of have an idea of how it sounds from the inside first, and then I'm gonna put it in the outside.
That's what she said.
All right guys, so that's how it sounds like interior and exterior when I'm revving. All right, now I'm gonna go drive down the highway so you guys can hear how it sounds, well, when I'm driving down the highway. See you guys in a bit. We just got to the highway. I'm already on the 4th gear, just about to head out. So yeah, hopefully you guys can hear it. All right guys, I just got back to my parents' place. I hope that helped out a few of you guys, you know, in regards to hearing it. Actually, what's happened now, I believe, it's not as drony anymore. Reason for that is I believe once the exhaust has been used a little bit more, the sound or the droning sound inside isn't as bad anymore. When I first got it, the droning sound was really loud. So yeah, I think it's settled already, the sound. So it's not as bad anymore as it was before. But it does give a good sound, especially for the VQ engine. It's the perfect sound for me personally. I like the sound of how the Greddy Evolution is. If you guys like it, go ahead and get it and try it out. But yeah, that will do it for the video, guys. I know I haven't been doing so much 370Z content lately. Just been busy doing exploring, but I have some ideas or some plans for the actual Z, probably in the near future. Well, it's fall now, so I'm going to be storing this for a little bit, but I'm doing some cosmetics modifications to the Z, so stay tuned for that. For sure, I'm going to be doing a lot more on the Project F-150 as well too. But Riri is going to be stored after a few weeks from now. The insurance is already done, and I don't want her paint getting you know, weathered and all that stuff, so I'm just going to store her underground. But I do have plans for the Z for sure. But yeah, that will do it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do appreciate everybody that's been checking out my videos, from my adventures to my DIYs and all that stuff. The count for our little community here in my channel has grown. We're at 190, hoping I can get to 200 soon. Preferably would be awesome if you guys can share the video and we can grow this little community we have here to 1,000 in the future. But yeah, that will do it, guys. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so and you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. I do try to upload, like I said in previous videos, I do try to upload once or twice a week, depending on what I have in mind of and how busy I am at work. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any new videos. Anyways, guys, like always, until next time, stay awesome.
Ryan Little.